Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. This is the Call Me Baby corset from declutter.com. We used to only carry large and extra large, but now we carry small and mediums too. It's so cute! It's mesh, it's stretchy, silky quality, the softest corset, nicely structured, nicely cut, crystal bow straps. I mean, we have limited stock, so get your corset now. Love. It's time. As you guys know, I've been doing a series on my channel called Try On Clothes Like After Time I Was Skinny. I have so many bras, all during my weight loss and weight gain journey. I'm just sick of having bras I haven't touched because I haven't been able to get into 5 to 4 to 3 years. And I get it. Bras are expensive. Why throw them out anyway? You might as well keep them because they are expensive. But what's the point? Way too small and you let them live rent-free in your closet until you're skinny enough to get back into them. When that's just not the case, time to throw them all out. I haven't worn some of these. Well. I figured this would be better lighting for us to see, and I changed into a little tube top so we can put on our bras. This is probably one of the tinier bras I had because she was a skinny mini back then. Best believe it. At least thinner than I was now. Honestly, I don't really know my cup size because my body is constantly changing. My chest size also constantly changes. My chest besties were a little bit bigger, so I was in like the D's, lost like 25 pounds. I was in the C's, I gained my weight back, and I was fitting my D's again. But then like my chesty besties are floppy, less perky. So yeah, we're both confused. Do you see how tiny this part is compared to like the rest of this cupcake? And it's a little push-up. I don't think this is it. If I didn't have this top on, I think I'd be spilling over. And it's super tight here, squeezing me. The band is small. Obvious answer. Tough. This bra is questionable. It just looks like it's gone through life. I think originally this is a bra ski for soon-to-be mothers. I'm just soon to be 5 pounds heavier because it's summer and I want to engulf. Okay, I spoke too soon because it is comfy. Look how nicely and high it comes up. There's no spillage. It is ripping apart. Like this is not supposed to be like this. There's no wiring, so it's like comfy. I think this must be from Walmart or something. I like that the straps are in front so you can like lift it up here. The band is thick and wide, which is nice. Wow, why am I getting rid of this? This is a nicely constructed bra. The only thing is, it's old. This on the side is confusing. We have some wings on the side that flaps out, kind of shaves outward, which can be annoying if you're wearing a top that's supposed to be like slim fitting. Our chesty besties did not sign up for elf ears. Tough. This has got to be one of my favorite bras. It's my newest bra. A cute little Valentine's set. 38C. The band is super stretchy, which I like, and the cup is literally bulletproof. There's a little push-up. It's not too much where it's overwhelming. I do like how the cups are a little bit bigger, so there's a lot of cushion coverage, but also like we're still playing peekaboo here. Sturdy, elastical. The straps are a little tight right now. I don't know if you can tell. The cookies are definitely popping a little, but you know what? We're gonna make it work. This color too though. This is like an orange red. This strap right now is a little tight, okay? Wait, but this is also 38C. You're playing me. I love how light this bra feels. It's not like I'm struggling that much. I do hate it when my bras start digging on my side and my like chunkies are like out like this. See, the spillage is okay. So are we safe here? Keep. I am so torn about this. This is my little mermaid. It looks like a seashell. Maybe not, maybe in my mind, but it's so tiny. Look at this. What size is this? Oh, I cut the size off, but it's definitely smaller than the rest. No! Weird because it feels like it fits the cups. Band is where the issue is. I'm growing thicker in my back. I don't know if you can tell, but this one's definitely tight. Let me just tuck this in a little. So stinking tight. I feel like I'm a walking jello shot. I love the shine to it though. I don't have a problem with the shine and the little like lettuce lace tracing with the beige, with the chrome, with the lace. It is pretty nice, but do I feel like I look sexy in this? Okay, here's the thing though. Tatas are wide. Not perky, but they are wide and sometimes they flop a lot. You see how tiny this cup is? Well, my chest extend out here, so then I experience spilling on this side, and that's not the cutest. This? I love this one though. I don't think I'm ever gonna be this tiny again. I mean, that could be a good problem. Fine, toss. Okay, this bra was not supposed to be this color. I don't remember what color this was supposed to be. It is an old gal. I think this could still be promising. It stained in the wash. It's almost like flawless enough that it looks like it's supposed to be this color. You know? Oh no. My last 2 standing brain cells. I don't even want to see. Look at this. Do you think this is fun to like swoop around? She's been through the rough. Not worth it. Toss. This is my Fenty bra. When I collabed with them, best believe I'm not gonna Nah, I'm not. See, this is a good size. 38D, okay? I like this style bra a lot. It's fitting for girls who repel. You can really easily like scoop the sides and bring them in. Look how nicely, see? Plus the spillage on the side is not horrible at all. Like, look how great that, no spilling. Look how soft that is. Wow. The strap is a little tight. It's nothing that we've experienced yet. So the double little strap right here, a merging highway into one. Lots of traffic. Oh lordy. 36C. Me 2 years ago, screaming. The idea behind this bra was the fact that like the banding was so wide, it could just suck up the cookies. Now that I'm like 2 sizes bigger, ow! It's not that comfortable. It's just a lot of work. Did not sign a contract for this. Ouch. Okay, do you see the idea of the big band though? It almost acts like a bralette. Bandages you up in all shapes and sizes, but like, why is this cup so pointy? Why? Before I boop out here, we are not Lady Gaga. And the spillage, girl, this spillage. I like to keep this tucked in. I really feel like a snake right now. This is just not it. I see the thought behind it. This is just a prime example when you can't execute your goal. Also, my shoulders feel like they're gonna chop off. Toss. Goodness gracious. This has to be one of my favorite bras. I would be disappointed if I changed my mind. 36C. My go-to bra when I was 2 sizes smaller. I think I've stretched the band out. I know what you're thinking. The cup is a little tiny. Just hear me out. Again, the mochi is quite round. This is about like half of it. I do like the cup comes out a little wider out here. Again, it's not like this weird situation. I don't like that at all. You ready for a magic trick? Hold on. It's a bra that holds the tatas. Not that we really need that right now because it's so tiny and small and suffocating. Think of it as a parachute. You rise. Or bread. It rises. I meant dough. Do I need it? No, probably not. Do I want it? Yeah. So it really is giving me back pain though. It's kind of killing my shoulder and I have a hunchback, okay? I'm well aware of that. Why did I look like this from the side? A weight lifted off my shoulders. I don't care what you say, I'm keeping this. Oh boy. 34C. We're just going downhill from here, huh? Yeah, I don't know why I kept this. Oh, I know. Until I was skinny, I'd wear it again. The strap disappeared. That's how tiny it is. And literally disappeared into my backpack. It just ate it up. She ate her up. Honestly, there's like not a lot going on here. Padding is like so mid. It like gave up halfway. It's pretty tiny. Look how tight it is. It's literally squeezing my tummy out. There's some food for thought. Why don't you toss it? Oh, this is my favorite red bra. So soft and silky, like so cottony, just so. And look at the banding. Soft and silky. I can't even describe. This is from Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret, feel free to sponsor me. Banding, this red, I love the texture of this. It's so soft. It doesn't even feel like you're wearing a bra. There is wiring. Cloud-like, a pillow. No spilling because it fits nicely on. The cup is really wide. The strap is really reasonable. You can't go wrong with the red bra. You have to choose any color bra, go with the red one. Red or black. Keep. This is the bra that I'm forever grateful for. I've worn it so much. Look how gross it is. All broken up into pieces. You can just tell how dirty the cup is. This bra has gone through it all with me. I've actually worn this bra when I was like in my thinner stage of life. And then now that I'm like 2 sizes bigger, I'm still wearing it because I've stretched it out that much. It's evolving. I think I'm gonna have this bra even when I'm 60 and saggy. The straps are so nice and wide. I've stretched it so much where it like kind of like hides my stomach when I sit. This protrudes out. I like to take my bra strap and just like hide it over and then it like makes it a little bit slimmer. Life hack for a thick girl. We have tricks up our sleeves, so watch it. Or sometimes even like this. I go like this when I'm sitting. I love this bra. I like this style. It feels really good on my body. I feel confident in this bra. Keep. I'm not a huge fan of strapless bras. This is from Savage X Fenty, and it's probably the only strapless bra I kept that's like worthy enough to be like on my body. Yes. Yes, it is a 38C, and as you can tell, it's a little bit tight on me. I do love how big the banding is, and there's elastic so then it really grips onto your skin. Who took the bag and ran? The only strapless bra I own. Again, the band is so big, you can literally tuck in your brownie addiction and no one would know. Miss Girl literally made this so that there's like some type of wiring that holds itself. So it almost feels like you have this foundation just sitting here without you having to like always pull it up because it just like is literally sitting there. It looks a little funky with this top, but don't be fooled. The girls be girlin'. I forgot I had this one too. Remember the red and purple one with the same like texture? I have a black one too. Oh, except it has a little lift parachute at the back again. Nice little lift. Look at the bra cup. It's so nice. Magic trick back here for the boys. Look how nice and high up this goes. So it just really like scoops you up. The only thing is like it's kind of hard wearing shirts with like a strap like this at the back. Wow, I just feel so loved and protected right here. Okay, this is also from Savage X Fenty. I haven't worn it yet because I accidentally got a size too small, so I've been keeping this for a long time. It's Riri, like probably one of the tinier bras I have. Even when I was 2 sizes smaller, I couldn't fit it. But I told myself like, don't worry, I'll get skinnier, and then like the problem will be solved. Fast forward a couple years later, we're not there. I wish I had this in my size. Ouch! Detailing the lace on the strap is like immaculate, beautiful. And look at my tata. My tata is literally this. It's being smushed. My pancakes really be out here. This brown is just so gorgeous. It's like chocolatey, silky. I'm not tossing this. I'll make sure my sister keeps it. Uh-oh, we have another one of those. 34C. Oh goodness. Oh my lord. Yeah, okay. Am I even gonna attempt this? I feel like my guts are gonna come out. I feel like Cinderella's stepsister's feet when it was trying to go into the shoe. It must have felt like this. I feel bad for her now. Enjoy looking at this from the back. I've never been with a body. Toss. Ow, ow, ow. I had to surgically remove that. Oh my god, yes! I just wanted like a classic t-shirt black bra, and so I went with this Victoria's Secret one. 36C. Oh, thicker than I expected. We see that, we know that. My shoulders are so heavy because it's so heavy, but we can fix that. Straps are adjustable. Pancakes are pancaking. It's a sexy half-half if I like didn't have this on. We'll definitely be spilling some batter. I think you can't go wrong with the black. That's a little too tight because black just slims you down anyway. I'm making excuses up, but I think it's working. Listen, Linda, listen. You know when I kept this, I was like, oh, when I'm skinnier? I am skinnier now. Okay, that's a lie, but I'll keep this until I feel more confident. I am more confident. I'm keeping this. Oh, this was like part of a Valentine's Day set. Oh, it's so cute. There is a lot of cushioning though, I must say. You never know. Yeah, when it disappears, that's when you know. Okay, it is small. Okay, 34Cs is just like not my friend. Enemies. But I love my enemies. Kill them with kindness, right? I feel like we're gonna break it. Well, I mean, the straps are adjustable. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Chunky. This is so small. Again, this was probably too small for me anyway, but I was like, you know what? I'll keep it when I'm skinnier. For that mindset. If I ever wear this, take me to court. Like, I can't even find the strap to undo it. Oh my god. I know you're sick of me and my black bras, but this is from Savage X Fenty. I really like this bra because it's more of a scoop bra. I'll explain that if I can fit it. I'm just not willing to throw it away because and this is what I made. This bra was made for the girlies who like to repel each other, but we don't get along. The tatas like to do their own thing. Because of this, these bras were made a little bit to the side, wider instead of like super close. So you can literally force them with love and create a unified family. Look how far back this bra goes to scoop and scoop. And sometimes we just need a little bit of force to hold hands and walk this path together. World, peace, and harmony. This is my last bra. We only have 20. This is my Skims bra, okay? Granted, I have worn this a lot of times, so the quality just look a little bit like run through the ringer. It just doesn't scream Skims. You see the Victoria's Secret and the Fenty bras, they kind of hold their like style quality, unless you worn it for 3 years, which was the purple one. This one I wore for like 6 months and it turned this way already. I guess that's not great. I'm just saying it's not great for like a brand that's supposed to be all the hype. This one looks like it's gone through the pilgrim days with me. I will say that this Skims bra is really soft to the touch. The strap is really soft. It lifts on the bottom. I don't know if you can tell. There's a little push-up that's supposed to like lift your tatas, but then like the bra lifts off of your skin gap right here. I don't know if you can tell. So I wasn't sure why we were experiencing that technical difficulty. Skims. My DMs are open. I will say it is a nice neutral nude bra. I do notice that the straps aren't as comfortable. They come up really high. So instead of like it lifting in the front, it's like lifting my back fat in the back. You're supposed to stay quiet back there. The cushion's nice and soft. The straps do feel way more comfortable than most of the straps I have on my bras. It doesn't feel like a burden. It feels relaxing. There's no spillage, which is nice, and it scoops from the side, which butte. Again, the issue is just like this back part and this lifting part. Me not understand. For the straps and the comfortability, I must say, I will keep this. And that is the end of bras I kept until I was skinny. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and were inspired to clean out your closet. Get rid of the toxic clothes, even bras that you kept rent-free until you were skinny enough to fit it. We're gonna modify and evolve into new clothes that's gonna love and comfort our bodies. Not these intimidating mofos who are sitting there reminding us that we need to lose weight today. We need to exercise, not eat too many carbs. Enough. Join me on my vlog channel as we're participating in self-love acts intentionally every single day. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday.